language lesson. Today, we'll learn some basic greetings, common expression, and names for the part of the body. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to greet people. Here's some common Higaonan greetings. Maayad o madagway, good or beautiful. This is a very common and versatile greetings. Maayad kaaldaw or good day. This is used in daytime. Maayad masalom, good morning. This is used early in the day. Maayad maudto. This is used in noon time. Maayad daluman, good evening. This is used in nighttime. We hope you found this helpful. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to learn more about the beautiful Higaonan language culture.
Maayad ha maadlaw taan ninyo alam. Now let's learn some useful everyday expressions. Higaonon, pangitok ka. Tagalog, salamat. English, thank you. Pay-animan, Tagalog, walang anuman. English, you're welcome. Higaonon, makasambay agad. Tagalog, pahirang naman yan. English, may I borrow. Higaonon, who. Tagalog, oo. English, yes. Higaonon, baad pasayluwa. Tagalog, tawarin mo ako. English, I'm sorry. Higaonon, labing taglawang. Tagalog, okay karaan po. English, excuse me. Higaonon, pasayluwa. Tagalog, patawarin mo ako. English, please forgive me.
Let's now learn the names for some basic parts of the body in Higaonan. Head. We call this uli in Higaonan. Hair. We call our hair buhok. Forehead. This is the tangan. Eyes. We have two mata. Nose. This is our idung. Mouth. We use our bakulong to speak in it. Teeth. These are our own ngipon. Tongue. This is our dila. Ear. We hear with our dungog. Neck. This connects our head to our body and called liog.
These are our abawa, or in English, shoulder. And this is our bumaglawan, in English is arm. And we use our alima for many things. Alima is a hand. And this is our bedlo, in English is finger. And this is our kakpa, in English is chest. And this is our gutok. Gutok means stomach. And this part is pipiyakan. Pipiyakan is abdomen.
Kaliko in Higaonon, kaliko got. Pingkil in Higaonon, pingkil in. Kita in Higaonon, kita tit. Buol in Higaonon, buol ni. Lison in Higaonon, lison lig. Bubon in Higaonon, bubon put. Tudatay in Higaonon, tudatay tuy.
Great job! Now, let's quickly review what we've learned. Repeat after me. today. Salamat Ukay for learning with us.